This is John Gill from Playful Communications, and this video was made on a mobile. So I'm at Discovery Point today to tell you about a very special Made on a Mobile event happening here in a couple of weeks. Join me and learn to create your own video content using a mobile phone or tablet. Shoot, edit and share from a single mobile device. So not only do we have a nice comfortable room to use here at Discovery Point, but we'll also have access to this amazing ship, the RRS Discovery, which in its time has travelled to some of the most uninhabitable places on the planet. So who should get their feet under the table? The workshop is perfect for comms people, training, social media and internal external comms, educators who want to create course content or encourage students to capture evidence for assessment, small business owners, anyone with a story. This event is also very special because it is in aid of Polar Academy. You'll find out more information in the description below. Thank you to Discovery Point for donating the space for the day. Hey, my name's John Gill from Playful Communications, and this video was made on a mobile.